Hey guys, so remember that we made a video. Hold on. Joey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Guys, remember we made a video. Oh my god. Okay. We made a video of seeing all these fidgets that Amy, actually, she scanned me. That's like, no. By the way, go follow my brother's channel. I linked it in the community. Okay, yeah. So, and I did not order none of these. The only fidget that I did not show you, and that I did actually order, was this snapper. So, I don't know, I got scammed or something, because Amy's like the worst. Okay, she scammed me. These are not the fidgets I ordered. Or maybe it's just, maybe it was not Amy. Because I know Amy, we're best friends. We used to hate each other. Okay. So I think she scammed me. So right now, whoops, we're going to call her. And I'm not telling you her number. Joey, you know what to say if you can hear me? Joey? Okay, you can't hear me. Okay. I don't know. So let me call. Hello? Amy, did you order a package that I did not order? Wow, she said I got an order. Okay, hold on. She said she got an order from me. But then she said she didn't get, like, she did not get the email. So who gave me these fidgets? Who gave me these? They were for free, by the way, but most of them are broken. Like, this doesn't even squish. This has no air in it. This has not even squish. Where's the Orbeez at? I mean, it's still fun if you do like this and stuff. Even though it's not a beach ball or whatever. Oh, she just hung up. I don't care. Whoops. So someone give me all these pop bracelets. It's too many. We got this broken little globby. It's not even a globby. It's not even a real globby. Come on. What? Can you look at this? Deflate. Just deflate. Look at this popping. It's an alien. Even though I did not order this. I did not order this. Even though I got it back. I'm happy that I got these fidgets for free. But I did not get my order. And I ordered way more than this. So I don't know what's the problem. And my least favorite here is this one. You know why? You know why? You know why? Because this has a hole. This part is broken. This I can't even put it on my arm. Okay, I can, like that, but I can't take. I can't take this off. How do I take this off? It's not like taking off. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's not. Great. Okay, now we did it. Look at the hole. This is broken, and this is straight up broken. Little small tiny hole. Go follow. Also go follow Laura Bing with the Pikachu channel thing. Yeah. Even though I don't know if she made videos, I didn't follow her channel in a long time. I can't subscribe because it's saying too many subscribers when I'm trying to subscribe. So it's not my fault. And by the way, this is even broken. What kind of order is this? Can I get an Oreo, Miss Larissa? So Joey.
Mary?
Yeah. You can't hear me, okay.
I can't hear you.
Huh? Can you hear me?
I can't hear you, Mary, because you're recording.
Okay. So we have this. We're missing 5. And we have 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, whatever. But bye guys. Subscribe, comment, like, and follow my brother's channel and Laura Bing. And if you did not subscribe, what are you doing? I know you're watching my video. Go subscribe, cause I don't know what you doing. I don't know. Bye guys.